thimu cia Kenya ni ikona thina. Hello. Isi thimu ni ira thina. Kitabu. Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Koigwete ne woya thimu no ndurabi kwaria ndakirigwo kai network ya Kenya kiraga na gathina.
Asa ni ndakoigwa thaici.
Njitagwo Nderitu.
Okay.
Na njukete gukorite koragwo kuria mwena wa Boston.
Okay.
Na ne kuona ndona wena igongona mweri 7th.
7th of April.
Yes, na ni nyendete nyimbo ciaku muno. Usiku. I love your ministry. Na hedi urakomete, lakini sasa umeinuka. You're doing great in the ministry.
Amen. Glory be to God.
Amen. Ndiraina ichoki. Reka ngwire ukiona nimetafuta namba yako ndiraina ichoki. Ndiraurirwo kugerera rwimbo ruru.
Oi Ngai.
Ndiraurirwo kugerera rwimbo ruru. And because of that, I want to support you.
Oi, thank you so much.
I want to support you. Ukienda kuteithia te.
Ningenda udeithie kuriha horo. Eo nio yambite kunjikaria tondu ndararihaga 50.
Horo. Nimeona umeifanyia. Those are my friends. Hari other mark. We can give you that for free. I can talk to that man. Mama could get that hor for free.
Oi, thank you. Ginya ndokira. Thank you, ma.
Karibu. What else? Nikiona daku. Alafu hewa ndo wake nilia muno nawe. You know when you start there, korea kwa referent, Mwaki Sakayo. The way you minister there is on another level.
Jesus.
No, korea Boston, tukona wana time ya kinya koko worship. We don't have freedom.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm in Kenya. I would really love to see you. Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Are you dating?
No, I'm not.
Do I sound too old for you?
You not even don't know, you just call me.
I had a wife.
Okay.
Toke divorce ale tunatoma hicho toige.
Okay.
Nikaona it's for my own peace. I think better.
Okay.
Yeah, so maybe we can meet and have a sit down kidogo as we speak.
It's okay.
Yeah. Ndakwenda tatagwa tajigwe kanona irikana my kadota.
Nderitu.
Jetagwa Nderitu kuma mwena wa Boston.